I'm going to show you how to hook up your PlayStation to your monitor with HDMI cable. First thing, you have to connect the monitor to the power and the PlayStation to the power. Then next, you need to connect the HDMI to your PlayStation and the other end of the HDMI to your monitor. To your monitor. Like this. And then what you need to do is turn on your PlayStation. It's turning on. And then turn on your monitor. If you want, you can change the input to HDMI. So this is how you connect your PlayStation to your monitor with an HDMI cable. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.